Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is EXP 2022 Excel App Capstone Intro Assessment Travel. Basically it is the project of EXP 2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students many times and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Basically this assignment consists of 32 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name EXP 2022 Excel Apps Capstone Intro Assessment Travel. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet that required. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is on the worksheet has the original default name sheet 1. You want to give the worksheet a meaningful name. Rename sheet 1 as DC 2017. So in this tab we rename the sheet 1 as DC 2017. So copy this one and in the Excel worksheet here is sheet 1. Rename sheet 1 by DC 2017. So our step number 2 is completed. So our step number 3 is you want to move the year complement column between the memorable and 2002 column. Select and cut column F, insert cut cell in cell B1. So in this step we select and cut column F. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the column F and here is the cut option, cut and insert cut cell in cell B1 and in cell B1 select cell B1 is this one and here right click and here is the insert cut cell. So our step number 3 is completed. So in the step number 4 it is saying that insert. Now you want to separate the worksheet title and quotes source from the data set with the blank row. Insert a blank row between row 2 and 3. So in this step we insert a blank row between 2 and 3. So we insert a blank row. In the insert tab here we insert the blank row in between 2 and 3. So our step number 4 is completed. So in this step number 5 now you are ready to work with the DC 2022 worksheet. Your first task is to correct spelling error. Display this DC 2022 worksheet, check the spelling and correct all misspelled words. So in this tab we display the DC 2022 worksheet and check the spelling and correct all misspelled words. So we go on our Excel worksheet in the DC 2020. Here in the review tab here is spelling checking. So change all to correct the spelling. So our step number 5 is completed. So in the step number 6 it is saying that continue using DC 2020 worksheet. You will format the heading on row 4. Select the range A4 to G4, wrap text, apply center horizontally alignment and apply blue acid file lighter 60 fill color. So in this step we select the first we select the range A4 to G4 and apply a different operation on this range. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the A4 to G4, this one A4 to G4, and first we wrap the text in the home tab. Here is wrap text, and also saying that apply center horizontally alignment. Center horizontally alignment is this one, and apply blue accent 5 fill color. So apply accent, this is fill color, apply accent 60%, accent 5 60%. So this is blue accent 5 lighter 60 color. So our step number lighter 60 color fill color. So our step number 6 is completed. So in this step number 7, you now want to format the title so that it is more prominent. Merge and center the title in the range A1 to G1. Apply blue accent 5 self style and a bold to the title. So in this tab we merge and center the title A1 to G1. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the range A1 to G1. A1 to G1 is this one, and merge and center, and apply blue, and cell style is to apply blue accent 5, this one, and apply also bold. So bold is this one. So our step number 7 is completed. So in this step number 8, it is saying that the first column is to narrow for the name of the memorial. You will increase the width to display the full memorial name. Change the width of column A to 34. So in this tab we change the width of column A to 34. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the column A, this one, and in the format tab here is default width, increase it to 34. No, select this one, select column A, this one, and format and column weight to 34, this one. So I have increased the column weight. So our step number 8 is completed. So in this step number 9, it is saying that sparkline provide visual representation of data. You will insert sparkline for the data set. Select the range C5 to F10 and insert line sparkle in the range C5 to G10. So in this tab we select the range first C5 to F10. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the range C5 to F10, this one, and in the insert tab here is line sparkle and location range is to this one. Click OK. So we insert sparkline. So our step number 9 is completed. So in this step number 10, now you will format the sparkline. Select the range G5 to G10, display the high point sparkline marker and change the color of the high point marker to dark red. So in this tab we select the G5 to G10. So in the Excel worksheet we select G5 to G10, and in the spark line here is the high point, and we also change the color of high point marker to dark red. So also spark line color to dark red, this one. So step number 10 is completed. So our step number 11 is, you want to create a chart that compresses the number of visitors of each memorial. Select the range A4 to G810 and C4 to F10 and create a clustered column chart. Apply the monochromated plate 12 chart color. Apply the gradient fill to the chart area. Do not change the default gradient option. So in this step we select the range A4 to A10 and C4 to F10. So we select the range A4 to A10, this one A4 to A10 and C4 to F10, this one, and create a clustered column chart. So in the insert tab, in this one, so here is clustered column, here is clustered column chart, and apply the monochromated plate 12 chart color. So chart color is to here is change color is to monochromated plate 12, and apply the gradient fill to the chart area. Do not change the default gradient option. So chart area is to gradient fill. So format chart area and chart area fill with gradient fill color, and do not, it is also saying that do not change the default gradient option. So we not change the default gradient option. So our step number 11 is completed. So our step number 12 is, cut the chart and paste it in cell A13. Change the chart height to 6 and chart width to 7. Add ALT text. The chart shows number of visitors to each memorial for 4 years, including the period. So in this step we cut the chart and paste in cell A13. So we cut the chart, Ctrl X, and paste into A13, this one, and change the height in the format tab. Change the height to 6 and width to 7. Change the height to 6 and width to 7, and add ALT text, including with period. Period mean full stop. Ctrl C, and in this, here right click, edit ALT text, here we put this one. So our step number 12 is completed. So I have done 12 steps of this assignment. If you want to do this complete assignment for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.